For over 100 years, we have used cars for various purposes so that today's car manufacturers know we can't do without them. Today's cars are packed with remarkable technologies, sensors, and gadgets. This episode lists the important inventions that changed driving today and made it better. Number 1. Magna ZG Lounger. Providing luxury and zen with customizable comfort adjustments, Magna ZG Lounger trademark transports the consumer to a world where they can rest, relax, and recharge right within their own vehicle. The zero-gravity mechanism has a scalable architecture design that enables maximum comfort and a luxurious consumer experience. The seat and leg rest move seamlessly to read and sleep positions with infinite micro-adjustments. With its eco-innovation and seamless integration of sustainable technologies for an unrivaled driving experience, the Magna ZG Lounger redefines automotive luxury. With cutting-edge driver assistance technologies, it epitomizes the seamless fusion of innovation and sophistication while embracing the essence of modern mobility. Number 2. Active Aerodynamics. A revolutionary advance in automotive engineering, Active Aerodynamics uses movable parts to actively control airflow and improve vehicle stability at various speeds. This invention increases driving dynamics overall and performance on the open road. It also helps to improve fuel efficiency and reduce drag. Active Aerodynamics fine-tune a car's aerodynamic profile in real time to optimize both speed and control by fluidly adjusting to shifting conditions, such as wind resistance and cornering forces. The symbiotic relationship between form and function in contemporary automotive design is exemplified by features like retractable spoilers that automatically deploy during high-speed maneuvers and adjustable grille shutters that enhance cooling and aerodynamics. Ultimately, Active Aerodynamics encapsulate the marriage of engineering prowess and technological ingenuity, propelling the automotive industry toward a more streamlined, efficient, and exhilarating future on the road. Number 3. IQAir Atem. The air in your car contains a mixture of toxic fumes and gases that are potentially harmful to your health and the health of those you love. The Atem car air purifier and its revolutionary Hyper HEPA Plus filter use air filtration technology tested and certified to capture a wide range of in-cabin air pollutants, all in a sleek, compact housing designed to blend into any vehicle cabin. Ultrafine particles are smaller than 0.1 microns and have been linked to heart attacks, strokes, asthma, respiratory disease, and even cancer. IQAir filtration in the Atem car filters 99% of all particles down to 0.003 microns, as small as the smallest virus. Filters allergens, PM 2.5 bacteria, the virus responsible for COVID-19. Removes airborne particles and traps them on filter materials, where they can't escape. The IQAir Atem is an incredibly powerful, yet quiet and compact car air purifier. A high-capacity centrifugal fan at the center of the system draws in cabin air through a combined particle and gaseous filter that wraps 270 degrees around the fan for maximum removal of harmful air pollutants from the air, cleaning your interior air up to 20 times per hour. Number 4. Ramsmobile. Ramsmobile's exceptional collection of all-terrain vehicles ushers in a brand new paradigm for off-road travel. These tough machines are outfitted with remarkable versatility and configurable setups that suit individual preferences. They were designed to traverse the roughest terrains. The Ramsmobile lineup perfectly combines luxury and adventure, offering features like opulent interiors, cutting-edge technology, and unconventional off-road skills. Ramsmobile's dedication to pushing boundaries redefines what is possible in extreme mobility, giving enthusiasts the chance to travel through the most difficult terrains in the globe in comfort and luxury. These cars combine the excitement of exploration with the cutting edge of automotive innovation, making a striking statement about engineering brilliance. What else? The Ramsmobile can be armored to either B6 or B7 levels of bulletproof protection, and the high rigidity of the body will not allow it to be destroyed in the event of strong blows and coup attempts, according to the company. What's more, the system supports purified air breathing from the installed biowarfare station. So that's cool. Number 5. RoboSence Lidar. RoboSence Lidar stands as a pivotal advancement in autonomous vehicle technology, utilizing laser-based perception to grant vehicles an unprecedented understanding of their surroundings. Employing state-of-the-art hardware and software, RoboSence Lidar systems offer exceptional range, accuracy, and real-time data processing, enabling vehicles to navigate and make informed decisions with enhanced safety and precision. With its ability to detect objects, pedestrians, and obstacles in various environmental conditions, this cutting-edge LiDAR technology plays a vital role in the evolution of self-driving cars, making them more adept at handling complex urban scenarios and dynamic road situations. As an integral component of the autonomous driving ecosystem, RoboSence Lidar features a fundamental leap toward achieving safer, more efficient, and truly self-reliant transportation solutions. Number 6. Mirror Eye. Increase safety and reduce fuel consumption for your vehicle with Mirror Eye. Mirror Eye is a camera system that replaces mirrors on trucks and buses with integrated digital high-definition HD cameras and digital monitors. The camera system will increase safety, allowing you to drive in comfort and maneuver easily in all traffic conditions. Mirror Eye increases safety by covering a greater field of vision than mirror classes 2, 4, and 5. With a better view, you can drive in comfort and maneuver easily in all traffic situations, thereby increasing safety for the driver, passengers, and other road users. Mirror Eye consists of 2 high-definition camera units that can be mounted using a vehicle-specific interface. The robust cameras are 50G shock and vibration resistant, have the IP69K rating for dust and water resistance, and can operate in temperatures ranging from -40 degrees Celsius to +85 degrees Celsius. The real-time HD images from the cameras are displayed on 2 12.3-inch monitors using a split screen. Number 7. Rubitracks. When it comes to vehicle track systems, their Rubitracks products are as good as it gets. Years of research and development along with the highest quality control standards assure that when you have the Rubitracks logo on your tracks, everyone will know you have the best. Rubitracks offers versatile snow systems, available in both 121 inches and 136 in sizes, catering to diverse applications. Whether you seek optimal maneuverability or enhanced flotation, our systems are tailored to meet your specific requirements. Again, introducing Rubitracks, a groundbreaking solution designed for 8 lug applications, addressing the demand for year-round, all-terrain performance. With Rubitracks, adaptability and performance merge seamlessly to redefine your outdoor experiences. Number 8. Bose Personal. Bose Personal Plus, part of the Bose Small Vehicle series of automotive systems, delivers a superior, driver-focused listening experience to the Kicks' compact interior, using just 8 speakers and proprietary Bose signal processing for 360 degrees of immersive sound. The Personal Plus system in the Kicks is amazing. The power, clarity, and spaciousness it produces is nearly unbelievable for a vehicle this size. It has everything you'd expect from a premium sound system built for a larger car. Simply put, Nissan customers are going to be blown away by how great the Kicks sounds with Bose Personal Plus. The listening experience in the Kicks can be customized depending on personal preference or the number of passengers in the car. A Bose Personal Space Control feature is built into the infotainment system's audio settings to provide adjustable listening options, from precise, front-focused sound to a much wider and enveloping experience in which music feels like it's coming from places in the car where there aren't any speakers. Number 9. EV West Conversion Kit. By offering a complete solution for turning conventional gasoline-powered vehicles into cutting-edge electric vehicles, the EV West Conversion Kit redefines the automotive transition. With experienced engineering and carefully chosen components, this kit equips enthusiasts to embrace sustainability without sacrificing the excitement of driving. The EV West Conversion Kit flawlessly fuses innovation with performance, ushering in a new era of environmentally responsible driving experiences, from unique battery options to cutting-edge motor systems. This kit symbolizes a paradigm shift toward a cleaner and electrified automotive world, whether you're trying to restore a vintage automobile or investigate a greener future. Number 10. Silentium. Silentium has developed unique active noise control, ANC technology, and an entirely disruptive sound management solution. With superior technological development, we are able to take unwanted noise, reduce it, and shape it so it sounds better to the ear. Silentium innovative algorithms that adaptively follow the changes in the noise spectrum eliminate up to 90% of a sound, no matter if it's a car engine or even a noisy train. The result is a small, low-cost, highly effective solution for low, medium-frequency noise. One thing is certain as we set out on this transforming journey. The road ahead holds a promise of safer, wiser, and more thrilling driving experiences, forever changing the way we move through the world around us. The future of driving is here, and it's a fascinating horizon full with limitless opportunities and amazing discoveries.